Morning, grade 5. Today, our lesson is about contractions and negatives. Contractions and negatives. Today, girls, we will learn about contractions and negatives. Also, we will be able to identify the two words represented by the two contractions. We took the contractions before, girls. Remember when we replacing the when we are replacing the letter with an apostrophe. Remember to make the word short. To make two words short, we are replacing letters with apostrophe. So again, what do I mean by contraction? Contraction is a shortened form of two words. Contraction is shortened form of two words. I have two words like I am. I will make it short like what? Like this. I will remove the A and put apostrophe instead. So I am, it will become She is. She is. Those two words, I will make it as one word. I will remove the I and put apostrophe instead, and it will become she's. She's. Okay, look here again. Contraction is a shortened form of two words. Contraction is a shortened form of two words. I am, again, I made it by what? Removing the A and adding apostrophe. She is, I will make it as one word, she is. Now, don't forget to put the apostrophe and what? Make it as one word, okay? Don't make a space between she and the S, okay? Now, an apostrophe, what do I want here? An apostrophe is used to show where one or more letters have been left out. So, when I'm putting an apostrophe here, we are showing that we have more than one or more letters have been left out. I'm not writing it, so instead of the letter, I will add an apostrophe, okay? Some contractions are made by combining pronouns and verbs. So, some contractions are made by combining pronouns and verbs. Like I have. I is a pronoun and have is a verb. You are. You is a pronoun and are is verb. I have, it will become I've. I've. Here, I left out the H and A, and instead I will put apostrophe. You are, it will become your. Here I left out the A and put instead apostrophe. Okay, don't forget to put the apostrophe and remove the letters that we have to remove. So the first one, I told you some contractions are made by combining pronouns with verb. Pronouns with verb. Now, the second one, other contractions are formed by joining a verb and not. Other contractions are formed by joining what? Verb with not. Here, pronoun with verb. Here, verb with not. Should not. Where not. Here, should and where are verbs. Not is negative. Now, should not, it will become shouldn't. Shouldn't. What did I do here? I removed the O and put instead apostrophe. Where not, it will become weren't. Weren't. I will remove the O and put instead apostrophe. So again, some contraction come with pronoun and verbs, and some contraction with verb plus not. Now, some verb and contraction, we don't only skip the O. we change the whole word. Like what? Like want and can't are formed in special way. Want and can't. Look, will plus not, we will have want. Want. Look, notice here, we didn't put the I or the L or the double L. We wrote O and T. And notice where is the apostrophe here between the N and the T. So you have to memorize it. We write it in a special way. Will not, we write it like this. Want. Okay? Cannot here. Look how we will write it. We will remove one N and again we will put the apostrophe between the N and the T. Okay, you have to remember it. Can't, and the apostrophe between the N and the T. Okay, now negatives are words that mean no or not. Negatives are words that mean no or not. Example about negatives, girls. No, not, never, none, nothing, and the contraction not. The contraction, okay, this one, not. The contraction for not is an apostrophe T. Now, let's talk more about negative and positive words. To make a negative statement, to make a negative sentence, use only one negative word. So when you are speaking to someone and you want to make negative sentence, you shouldn't use two negative words together. You have to use only one. Let's see here the difference between the correct sentence and the wrong sentence. Let's start with the wrong sentence. Don't never ask about his leg. Don't never ask about his leg. This is wrong. Let's see the correct one. Don't ever ask about his leg. Don't ever ask about his leg. Okay. I'm sorry. So here, girls, in the wrong sentence, we have two negative words, don't and never. Never is negative and don't is negative. We have to use only one in the sentence or the sentence will be wrong. Now the correct one, look, don't ever. We replace the word never with ever. So instead of writing don't never, we will say don't ever. Ever is positive and never is what? Negative. Clear? So we should not put two negative words together. Now, there won't be none left. This is one sentence. There won't be none left. This is wrong. Why? Because I have two negative. Want and none. Two negative words. This is wrong. Now, how I will make it in a correct way? There won't be any left. So notice here, I will replace none with any. Okay? There won't be any left. None is negative and any is positive word. So girls, again, we should use only one negative word in our sentence. It's wrong to use two negative words in the sentence. Remember this when you are writing an essay, for example, you have to remember that it's wrong when you are using two negative words together. Okay? Now, the last thing that we will study today, example about negative words and example about positive words. To make it easier to you, you have to memorize it so you will know the negative words and the positive words. Use positive words instead of negative in a sentence with not. When we have not, we can't use another negative word. We have to use positive. For example, we can replace nobody is negative, no one is negative. 1 minute. Yes, I'm sorry, girls. So again, negative words like nobody, no one, none, nobody, no one, none. Negative words also, nothing, no, where. So notice here we have no, 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 no. Okay, those are negative words. To replace negative words with positive words like nobody, nobody, I can replace it with anybody or somebody. Nobody, I can replace it with anybody, somebody. Here the words are positive. No one, I will replace no one with anyone or someone. I will replace no one with anyone or someone. None, I will replace none with any or all or some. Any, all or some. Now, nothing, I can replace it with anything or something. Anything or something. Nowhere, I can replace it with anywhere or somewhere. So this is the lesson, girls. Contraction and positive. Contraction, I told you, to shorten form, it's a shortened form of two words. Contraction is a shortened word from two words. I have two words, I will make it as a one word, and I will left out some letters, girl. And instead of the letters, I will add apostrophe. Don't forget that. Now, I told you that some contraction leads by combining pronouns and verbs, and some contraction are combining formed by combining verb with not. Want and can't are formed in a special way. Don't forget that want and can't are formed in a special way. Like will not, it will become want, and cannot, it will become can't. You have to memorize how we will write it, okay? Now, negatives. Negatives when the sentence means no. When the sentence means no. So, example about negatives. No, not, never, none, nothing, and the contraction not. I told you that it's wrong when we use two negative words together in one sentence. Like don't, never. Never is negative and don't is negative. So we will use don't, ever. Ever instead of never. Ever is positive and never is negative. And at the end, you have to memorize the words, the negative words, and the positive words. That's it. This is the lesson today.